Fried rice is great anytime, but adding Spam to your fried rice, it'll take it to another level. And it's quick and easy. Hey everyone, I'm Flo, Dude's behind the camera, and we're all about simple food, simple faith. We are using Dude's favorite ingredient today, Spam. Dude and the kids love it so much. So this fried rice is probably their favorite. This recipe can be found in my most popular cookbook, Chinese Homestyle. You can get it on Amazon for yourself or as a Christmas gift. It is filled with a ton of simple and easy recipes that you'll enjoy. We're using half a can of Spam. All right, we're only using half of this, and I'm going to cut it into 1/2-inch cubes. So I'm going to slice it first. It's about half. I'm going to store the rest of the Spam in the fridge and use it at a later time. You can slice it up thinly, fry it up, serve it with some eggs for breakfast, or even with instant ramen. I'm just going to use about 1/3 of an onion. I'm using a red onion only because that's what I have. You know, Dude filmed an episode once, and it was his version of Spam fried rice. So this really is his recipe, but y'all know I can make it better. So we're just gonna chop this up. I'm also using 2 sad looking green onions that I found in my fridge. And I'm just gonna chop up the white part to add to the other onion to cook. And then the dark green parts I'm going to use as garnish. Add it at the end. So you'll need about 3 to 4 eggs. My eggs are kind of small, so I'm using 4 today. Oh, they're so tiny. These are farm fresh eggs, so I do find that the shells are a little bit harder than supermarket eggs. And we're just going to beat the eggs up. And if you don't want eggs in your fried rice, you don't have to put eggs in your fried rice. Use whatever you like. I'm turning my wok on to a medium high. We're going to do our eggs first. Once you see the wisp of smoke, add about a tablespoon of oil. I'm using avocado oil. Adding the eggs. And when you're using a stainless steel pan, my wok is actually stainless steel. When you add oil to a hot pan, things will not stick. You know, if you don't have a wok, you can always use a large frying pan. I just like using my wok because I can move the food around more easily. Once your eggs are mostly done, we're going to remove them. Okay, turning the heat down to a medium, adding another tablespoon of oil. Not sure if I said, but I'm using avocado oil today. You can use any cooking oil that you want. Maybe not olive oil. Olive oil has a flavor, so you want a neutral cooking oil, like vegetable or canola, peanut. I like to keep my fried rice simple, so I'm just using onions, but you can add garlic if you want, ginger if you want, to add more flavor. I just think less is more, but totally up to you. That's what I love about fried rice, it's so versatile. Once you've cooked your onion for about a minute or 2, just until the onion is softened, and add your Spam. And we're going to let that sear for a minute before flipping before we just start moving it around, so that we can get some added flavor, some charring on the meat. Just let it sit. Okay, look at that. Golden on the other side. We're going to add our rice. I've got about 2 to 3 cups of leftover cooked jasmine rice. People have been asking me what rice to use for fried rice, and I use what I have left over. So I usually eat jasmine rice or Japanese short grain rice, and so those are the two types of rice that I use for my fried rice. So I only make fried rice when I have leftover rice. I generally don't make fried rice from freshly made rice because, well, it's freshly made and I want to eat it fresh. If you want to know how to make fried rice using freshly made rice, let me know in the comments and I will make a video just for you. Adding about 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Adding about a half a cup of peas. They're just frozen peas. The heat will heat them through sufficiently. And adding the egg back in. Just break it up a little bit. So I'm only making enough for about 2 servings here. And if you think about like how much to add per person, I have about 1 to 2 cups of rice per person, 2 eggs per person, a quarter can of Spam per person, a little bit of peas per person, and then you just kind of estimate how much someone can eat. And if you have more, then you have leftovers. Turning off the heat, adding my green onions from earlier. All right, I'm putting this in a serving dish. You can put it in individual bowls if you like, totally up to you. Actually, it ends up being quite a lot of food. When you put it in a serving dish, people can help themselves to however much they want. Just adding a little bit more of the green onions. That's it. Are you all ready for
the taste of Spam? Lots of different colors in here. You know, it's a very typical fried rice that Flo makes, which is all flavorful, but in this case, Spam is the main protein. Oh yeah, the searing of the Spam, you get the browning of it, the caramelization of the Spam. It matters, guys. Let's get in here. Smokiness, the distinct flavor of Spam. And earlier Flo laid down the gauntlet and she said she's gonna make a better Spam fried rice than me. And you know what the verdict is? It's better than mine.
Awesome, thanks dude.
Yep.
Remember to check it out in my cookbook, Chinese Homestyle. But if you want just this recipe, you can check it out on my website, FLO'S.com.